Montego Bay, here we come.
Welcome exchanging. Get your local dollars here now. No fee for you to exchange here. Cheaper, more convenient for you.
Professor, one second. Huh? Oh, you can? He wants to see. No, baby. On the body.
Welcome to Jamaica, Mark. Nice to meet you, Mark. Respect.
Should we just leave the bag here? Okay, thank you. Owó tó máa ná pọ̀ lẹ́yìn o ti mú jáde. Go baby.
But exposed people businessman.
Yeah. He did well.
I don't go those bongo.
Yeah. He looks like Nigeria.
He be like Nigeria.
Different from Dominican Republic.
Of course.
And Mexico.
It's old too.
We're here?
Yeah, it's old too. It's big.
Lady in the pool. Muti. Igwe. Where's that?
Fried rice. Salasia.
Huh? Okay.
You're checking. I'll check.
Hi, Tony. I know. Ooh. This is our view. It's not so much of it. Birthday girl! What up? Welcome. We're just walking. We figure we'll see you here. Yeah.
Hello. That's your bag over here.
See what's going on. other two are down yonder. I want to ring, but let's keep going now. No. Morning. Morning. Keep going. Okay. 1 second, 1 second. Stay there. I want to capture the entire Jamaica. Good morning.
And I won't say where you go, that you complete it by yourself. Not be say you go type, you go click.
Just click on
That's like
click text.
I got an email from a brand, and it's like my phone read the email. And as soon as I hit reply, it already put my reply. And then it asked me, do you like this reply?
No, but does this not mean that these people are spying on us?
Yeah, we do have
I don't have my privacy anymore. Like,
it's not you.
And that's isn't that why when you look at the post for my wife, they start sending you posts every different
you know,
time.
Forget that. I work out at home using my YouTube, whatever. They add that. Okay, so photo and then change back in Venice and go to the ocean.
Stop my. From later, baby. Odogo Parara. I said Odogo Parara. Parama.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh man.
well, I tried to.
Oh, you mad?
My head big.
Okay, I think she will like this one.
Who just think I take picture?
No, you gotta put your
Emma
hair
caught attention because the man come out.
Deji down.
So this is
She will send it now.
That's right. Yeah, Yakumbe. Yeah, Rasta fried rice. Young one. Yeah,
Babe.
You. That's my duck, right? I mean, that's the quarter.
See that big building straight across here?
Yes.
That's on way on the other side of the town. That's a
Wow.
hospital.
Look at this.
Oh, wow, okay.
Oh, that big building? That big
Yeah.
building
That's the hospital.
is the biggest hospital around?
Yeah, that's a do not go.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
That's a do not go. We don't go there, place.
no.
Your data is on?
No, he's using Wi-Fi.
This is a good. That's a good job there. Come on, go man. Remember, don't walk in the road.
Don't walk on the corner, they said.
Yeah.
That one is not listening.
So you're good.
I got in shot. It'll be so funny. Why the Muti? Look at Muti.
They're planning on their phone?
Eh?
They got plan on their phone?
Yeah.
Okay, once they have plan, they go. We can find it. Watch it.
Why are you scratching your head? It was just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time.
We outside.
rice.
Je vais danser.
Dance hall that we can dance to. Bunks. Ding dong.
Let's see a Jamaica shot. Jamaica shot. Thank you. Go down. Look at my sister. Oh, hey, look at her. Look at her.
The egg is egging.
The egg is just egg.
I thought it was her salad.
Two shall be.
Yeah. Seafood is not a problem. Yeah. I learned too much.
Cholesterol. This is high cholesterol.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's tasty anyway. It's not bad. It's not.
Very good.
It tastes good.
Lovely.
Only one. Exclusive. Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Give it up for the birthday girl. One time for the birthday girl.
Okay, back to our tasting. So
What are we doing?
you guys done
Are we
some
going
towel?
to the same place?
Oh, you guys doing?
Okay, yeah, let's share breakfast.
No, actually, we need this so that we can put it on
Exactly,
the.
that's what we're getting at. We are selling. So you guys go. Yeah, go put the name on the list. 7 of us.
Beautiful sunset.
We need to be doing this often, guys.
Yes, we all say, but we just don't plan it.
We plan it, it's not easy. And we cannot. Babe.
But I wait till last time. I need to give it all. I got to live what I thought. I just don't want drive me out of my mind. You don't need no nobody.
go, but I'm not paying.
Orun be ẹ bá ń lọ sí Ondo State.
Ẹ yà tó Ondo.
Ó láwọn àwọn.
Intentional.